This is Vanessa Joy, and this is how to put together a OCF beauty dish from Profoto. First of all, you need a speed ring, and this is one of the easy ones because you just put it in every single one of the little grooves here. First thing I like to do, flatten it all out. Better way of looking at this, and then you slowly just start putting things in. So you can put it in just like that, or it goes in all the way. I like starting off one all the way, but some people like to put it in halfway. That's kind of up to you. But I just think it has a better grip if you just start putting it on all the way. Now, once you have 3 there and it's kind of like static, you could keep going around. Some people like to do the opposite side, but with the beauty dish, because there's so many spokes, I just like to keep going because I will end up missing them.
Before we jump into this, make sure that you download my free posing inspiration guide. We could all use some inspiration. Get that in the link below with lots of ideas on how to pose groups and individuals.
But after 3 is when I don't start putting it all the way in anymore, because it just kind of gets more difficult as you go around. So just lining it up, and I missed one. There we go. So now you can see these 3 are in. They're all in, but the rest of them are not, but they're lined up. So now I can just lift and put each one of them in till we're all set. And that's the easiest way I find to do it, so you don't break a nail or a finger. And then you're all set. So that is how you put together a beauty dish.